Now this looks like a good morning to me. A happy weekend morning. It's crunchy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and tasty everywhere. This French toast set the tone for my entire weekend. Just tasty and beautiful. To make this one, crack some eggs, pour a cup of milk into it, add some cinnamon powder, few drops of vanilla essence, and any sweetener of your choice. I have used brown sugar. Now mix everything together only if it was as quick and easy as it is shown here. Now melt some butter and dip your bread in the egg batter and place it in the melted butter hot pan. Cook it on both sides until it's crunchy and fluffy. Now the tip is to not disturb it when it's getting cooked and cook it over a medium flame. This one was really yummy. You can pour some maple syrup or honey while you're serving it along with your coffee. And enjoy!